You're supposed to be drinking. Take a drink. Sissy. You picked to make a mess. What kind of straw is that? What kind of straw is that? Hmm? You don't know? You got milk on your chin, little kitten. Are you going to help me scramble eggs?
Yeah.
You know how to scramble eggs? Look at Nana. You know how?
Yeah.
You sure? Who taught you how to scramble eggs?
Yeah.